Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are excited to present this Harley-Davidson XL1200 48. Registered the 13th of May 2015 on a 15 plate, with only 6,484 miles, and presented in amber whiskey. This stunning example is Stage 1 tuned and benefits from main dealer service history, and is adorned with must-have extras which includes Vance & Hines short shot exhausts, K&N air filter, side-mounted number plate, high tank lift kit, mini indicators and side-mounted clock conversion. Sitting between the cruising 1200 Custom and the aggressive Sportster Roadster, the retro-themed Harley-Davidson 48 combines aspects of its two brothers to create something entirely different. The 48 is renowned for its heavy-hitting fat tire style and bulldog stance. The ever-popular V-twin engine delivers bags of low-end torque, and the bike handles beautifully. This superb example comes fully serviced, complete with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, a 12-month MOT, and a 3-month warranty. You can even extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for added reassurance. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 01424 44 44 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.